person the details that you have used. That's the phone number as well as the username. The person needs only the phone number to log in. That is for a free account, okay? But there are times that maybe you don't want to be the one to create the account for the person. Then how do you send a link to the person? So the same thing with this share link you are seeing here, okay? What you have to do is you long press on it and then you click on copy link address from here. You get it? So click on copy link address. Now when you copy the link address, then now you can now share it to the person, okay? You can now share it to the person. So it's either by WhatsApp or via SMS. You can just share. So you just go to, let me just give you a practical example. So I can come here. Okay, so I want to share with somebody. So what I'll do is I'll just click on the person name, and then what I'll do is I'll press long press, right? Long press, and then I'll paste it. When I paste, you see my link is shared with the person in addition to my link, the link ID. So you can see it over here. So this is how to share your link with someone to register as a beginner. Alright, so when the person gets this and the person clicks on the link, quickly the person gets the form and fills it, okay, as a free user. Now, what makes this so important for you, okay, is this. The person may start as a free user, but if the person wants to upgrade and the person upgrades that free user account, you still earn commission because the person has now moved into the mainstream. So you earn commission on the person's upgradement. You get it? So you earn a 50% commission when the person upgrades into the mainstream account. That is why it is very good and important that you encourage people to test the system. If they are afraid to pay, they should always test the system and see how it works. Once they test the system and they see that they are earning, they will want to upgrade. When they upgrade, you earn your commission. So this is how to be able to create the link or get the link for the free users, okay? And the same thing, we have your tax earnings commissions here, and then when you scroll down, we have the tax that you're supposed to perform over here. So I'll perform my tax, so you can see that tax completed all over. Okay, if it were not performed, you will see that start tax will be there waiting for me to perform my task. Then over here, my earnings for today is showing. So all the earnings I have today, they are all showing for me here. Okay, so these are all the earnings I was able to earn today from my tax I performed. All right, so I want to encourage you also, when you are performing your tax, be sure that you have watched all the videos to the end. Subscribe when you need to subscribe. View and comment on the videos. Like the videos. Those are the engagements that you are going to be paid for. So you have to do those things. Okay, and that's what helps the company to earn income and pay you. So if we want this company to be able to do more for us, we have to do what they ask us to do. Let's engage the videos. Let's subscribe to the channels that they post for us. Okay, so this is how to share your DollarGen link. I'm going to do another video to help you to be able to know some other features in this very DollarGen. I'm going to help you to be able to know some other features that comes with DollarGen. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.